Welcome, here I've got Vivo V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to change it to the Pro because the leveler is only available in the professional settings. So let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have to pick the Pro mode, and as you can see, now we get access to it. Don't be scared about all of the settings because you can stay on the auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. Now let's stay like that. To turn on the leveler we have to move up to the center button and just one tap to turn it on, another tap to turn it off as we need. And when we have it turned on, as you can see, we have this orange line at the center. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. So as you can see, this is how it works. When we hold it steady, we see this orange line. And of course, when we don't need it, we can turn it off here, or just move back from the Pro to the standard photo mode. And as you can see now, the leveler has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.